Hi, Eric from Actifio here again. During this video, we'll take a high-level look at how the database cloning appliance works. The database cloning appliance works by sitting alongside either a production or standby instance of a database environment. The DCA will make a full native copy of the database environment during our initial setup. Then, the DCA will track block-level changes either through database application APIs or through our database cloning appliance connector software. Next, the DCA will only move these small amounts of incremental change, merging them directly into the DCA's base copy. Internal to the DCA, we'll be able to take a point-in-time bookmark based on the customer's requirements through the DCA's highly customizable SLA policy engine. Since the DCA stores its copy in the database's native format, we can then virtualize this one physical copy and make it look like many read-writable copies. With support for several different storage protocols, we can provide these virtual clones instantly to one or many different hosts for development, test, QA, analytics, cyber resiliency scans, or any other use case. The DCA's app-aware mount process provides all the necessary automation steps to bring these virtual databases online and make them available with no user intervention required. Best of all, the DCA allows for full self-service access to these virtual images, with the ability to secure access with the DCA's role-based access controls and LDAP or AD authentication integration. Users can dial up point-in-time clones on demand or through an automated workflow that can follow a user-defined schedule. For example, a QA process can automatically mount 10 copies of a 30 terabyte database every morning, providing a fully refreshed environment with virtually no human involvement required. Let's take this a step forward and imagine a scenario where a customer has sensitive data within its production copy, and they'd like to mask the sensitive data prior to feeding their dev environments. With the DCA, we can still provide instantly available virtual clones of the sensitive copy for use cases where necessary, while blocking users or processes who should not have access to the sensitive data. Then we can create an automated workflow to integrate with the customer's already existing data masking software or scripts. Now that the data is fully masked, we can provide access to this compliant copy. Just like the DCA's virtual clones, this process integrates with all DevOps tools and is accessible through our UI, CLI, or API. This now masked copy is also fully virtualized, allowing for the masking process to be run once, but used many times in the same space-efficient and near-instant fashion. The DCA has many benefits across almost any database platform. These copy data services are unified through a robust yet easy-to-use UI. Data is collected in an incremental forever fashion, while still maintaining a synthetic full copy available nearly instantly through a self-service architecture. The DCA can support any customer-provided data masking process, from off-the-shelf solutions to customer-created processes. Lastly, the DCA's REST API gives next-generation development tools access to the latest version of data. One last thing to mention here is the DCA was designed to also take advantage of the full Dell Technologies storage portfolio. Customers will be able to leverage new or existing investments on these technologies to make sure their data is on the right tier at the right time. This includes storage-optimized technologies like data domain and object storage platforms like ECS, which enable long-term retention at the right cost per terabyte. Thanks again for watching this short video. Please like and subscribe on whichever platform you are watching this on to be alerted when we deliver new content. You can also reach out to either of those two email addresses for more information on the DCA.